In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Instagram Notes on PC. While the standard Instagram website lets you type text or drop an emoji into a note, it doesn't include the music picker you see on phones. The good news is there are two reliable workarounds. First, you can make Instagram load its mobile layout right inside your desktop browser using the built fade-in developer tools. This is quick, free, and recommended. If that doesn't surface the music library in your region or browser, the second option is to run the actual Android app on your computer with a free emulator. Let's start with the browser method. Open Instagram.com and sign in. On your keyboard, press F12, or right-click the page and choose Inspect to open the developer panel. At the top left of that panel, click the toggle device toolbar icon, the one that looks like a phone beside a tablet. A new bar appears above the page where you can pick a device preset. Choose a mobile model such as an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy, which sets a phone face-size screen and user agent. Now refresh the page with F5. After the reload, you should see Instagram's full mobile interface, including the bottom navigation. Click the messages icon to open your inbox. At the top, above your profile picture, click the plus button or your note. In the Composer, tap the music note icon under your profile image. Use the search box to find a track. Pick the 30-second segment you want to feature, and then click Share to post your musical note. If the music picker still doesn't appear or the library won't load, switch to an Android emulator. Download and install a trusted free emulator such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. Open it, sign in with your Google account to enable the Play Store. Then search for Instagram and install the official app. Launch Instagram inside the emulator and log in. From there, the flow is identical to a physical phone. Go to your direct messages. Tap your note, select the music icon, search for your song. Choose the 30-second clip and share. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your browser and the Instagram app updated, since features roll out gradually and may be region-dependent. Not every track is available due to licensing, so try alternate versions if your first choice isn't listed. And remember that notes are brief and temporary, so keep your message concise and your audio snippet on point. Thanks for watching.